Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the COSIP number on Fidelity. First, make sure you're logged in to your Fidelity account. You need to be signed in to see detailed bond information. Next, go to the fixed income page on fidelity.com. This is where you can search for bonds. Click on bonds to start your search. You can filter bonds by type like treasuries, agencies, municipals, or corporate, as well as by maturity dates, coupon rates, and more. Adjust the filters to match the bond you're looking for. Once you find the bond, click on it to view the bond details. Here, you'll see the COSIP number along with other key information like price, yield, and maturity. And that's it. Just a few clicks and you can easily find the COSIP number for any bond on Fidelity. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.